The business center of Russia, the oil and gas capital, one of the best universities in the country, is located in this amazingly beautiful city with high living standard, Tyumen Medical University.
For me, it's a big dream, and also for my parents. So in Russia to achieve this dream. It's a good university. There is a good education, good teachers, good people here, kind and very friendly. That's why I'm here, and I'm so happy.
More than 7,000 students study at the Tyumen Medical University. 1,000 among them are foreign citizens. The number of quotas of the Ministry of Higher Education and Science of the Russian Federation for international students is increasing annually. There will be 30 quotas in 2025. The university offers the opportunity to study in English.
The doctors speak many languages, Chinese and English and Russian. The mother tongue is Russian, but they speak with us in English, very good English.
Our department, it's very kind of us. If we have some problems, they can help us to speak together or anything with our group. And our group, it's like family.
More than 1,000 international students from 45 countries: China, Egypt, India, Latin America. Typically, the guys choose general medicine and dentistry. The university's clinical departments are located in 37 medical facilities in the city. Over 300 medical organizations in the region provide opportunities for students to undergo practical training.
For international students, all the educational programs are available. Some educational programs are available in English. These are general medicine, dentistry and pharmacy. Tyumen State Medical University provides one of the most high-quality educations in Russia. Tyumen is a very prosperous and wealthy region, safety and comfortable for living. There are many modern and high-quality equipped medical centers where students can train their practical skills.
4 specialist programs, 58 internship programs, 6 master programs, 6 new laboratories, model classrooms, and a training and experimental operating room. The development program Future is Now is opened in the university. The program is designed to develop research competencies and project work skills.
I learned, and sometimes I come to the Tyumen. I find the technologies are good to treat.
International students keenly participate in the university life. They are engaged in sports, creativity, science, participate in conferences and Olympiads. Comfortable facilities for a safe and good life have been created here. Academic buildings and dormitories are within walking distance of each other. The university has 4 dormitories. A new one with 300 places was recently opened.
This is my desk. I usually study here, I sleep here, and here's the kitchen area, my plate, my bowl, and I put everything here, and this is the refrigerator. Everything is very good.
The university has an international club. The students practice their skills on the latest generation high-tech models. After graduating from the university, future doctors have an opportunity to enter internship.
Тут большая возможность для ординатора работать руками. Наши коллеги очень хорошие, относятся ко мне, как будто я не иностранец, как будто я их старый друг с детства, скажем. Они помогают мне. Лучший выбор я сделал в моей жизни, что я выбрал ординатуру тут в Tyumen.
The Tyumen Medical University is included in the list of universities of the Arab Republic of Egypt and the People's Republic of China recommended for study. The university welcomes students from all over the world.